Yes. Khizr Khan, the Sayyid kings were Khizr Khan Sayyid 1414 to 1421. As I said, your Taimur had left his cousin, that was Khizr Khan in India, as his representative. The Khizr Khan was the governor of Multan under Firoz Shah Tughlaq. He was working then. See, everybody is working, someone or the other is working under, and they try to gain that power. So this is all about fight for power and prominence. Khizr Khan was the governor of Multan under Firoz Shah Tughlaq. After the death of Firoz, he supported a son of Firoz in the war of succession. When Taimur attacked India, he joined. Before leaving India, Taimur appointed him governor of Multan, Lahore and Dipalpur. Khizr Khan conquered Delhi in 1414 and started the rule of the Sayyids. Mubarak Shah Sayyid 1421 to 1434. Mubarak Shah succeeded his father. He was a man of vision and could have revived the old glory of the Sultanate. The nobles, however, were against him. Most of his time was spent in controlling them. That was Mubarak Shah Sayyid. Mubarak Shah Sayyid was Khizr Khan's father. Sorry, Mubarak Shah succeeded his father. Mubarak Shah was Khizr Khan's son. And Muhammad Shah Sayyid. Muhammad Shah Sayyid was Mubarak Shah's nephew. All in the relation, all in the family. The nobles became very powerful during his reign. Alauddin Alam Shah Sayyid. Alam Shah was the next ruler, 1443 to 1451. In 1451, he lost Delhi to Bahlul Lodi. With this brief rule of the Sayyid Sultans came to an end. Then came in the Lodi dynasty. The Lodi dynasty, until this period, all the rulers of the Sultanate were of Turkish origin. The Lodis, however, were Afghans from Afghanistan. Bahlul Lodi, 1451 to 1489. The first Lodi ruler was Bahlul Lodi. He tried to consolidate the fragmented Sultanate. Fragmented, it is the broken up Sultanate, which has broken up into pieces. It's divided so many into parts. He removed rebellious governors and appointed loyal Afghan nobles in their place. He removed all Turkish people from his place, all nobles, and he brought in Afghans of his own people. At the time of his death, the Sultanate stretched from Punjab to Bihar. At the time the death of Bahlul Lodi, it stretched from Punjab to Bihar. He had made such a huge area. Sikandar Lodi, 1489 to 1517. The most powerful Lodi ruler was Bahlul's son Sikandar Lodi. He annexed Jaunpur and Bihar and signed a treaty of friendship with the ruler of Bengal. Bihar comes into history. Bihar is a very historical place. Everyone wanted to get in touch with Bihar. Very rich in agriculture. Seriously. And hard-working people. I have really hats off to people of Bihar. You guys are very hard-working, but no one can work like you. And so the most powerful, he annexed Jaunpur and Bihar and signed treaty of friendship with the ruler of Bengal. He also introduced many public welfare measures. For example, like Alauddin Khalji, he tried to lower the prices of all essential items. He also gave loans to farmers. He founded the city of Agra and made it his capital. Also, I'm seeing everyone is trying to bring down prices, So our government also still now tries to bring down prices. People are still fighting for prices, they're going up higher. Also during the French Revolution, there was a march to the Versailles regarding the price of bread. So there's a fight going on and history is repeating itself. So this is what it's all about. So people have actually done this already before. Ibrahim Lodi, 1517 to 1526. Ibrahim Lodi succeeded Sikandar Lodi. The Afghan nobles rebelled against him. He, however, defeated them to prevent such revolts in future. Who had a lot of power by younger men. The displaced nobles conspired with Babur, who overthrew Ibrahim Lodi in the first battle of Panipat in 1526. Babur was the first ruler of the Mughal dynasty. You will read about the Mughals in lesson 5. What do we have in lesson 5? Oh, we have Jaunpur, Marwar and all in the regional kingdoms 4 part 2, right? Okay, fine. So we are done till here. So Ibrahim Lodi was succeeded Sikandar Lodi, and after Sikandar Lodi, though, when at the time of Bahlul Lodi, when they had removed these Turkish nobles and all, and the people who were taken out from their jobs, they got in touch with Babur, the Mughal, and that's when they planned, to put down someone else and come into it. So that's the time when, in the Battle of Panipat 1526, Ibrahim Lodi was defeated by Babur, and he became the Mughal of Delhi. The Mughal dynasty entered, and that is what happened. So there are 5 dynasties during ruled the Sultanate period. There were the slaves, the Khaljis, the Tughlaqs, the Sayyids, the Lodis. The slave dynasty ruled from 1206 to 1290. Qutbuddin Aibak, Iltutmish, Razia and Balban were the important rulers of this dynasty. The Tughlaqs ruled from 1320 to 1414. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, Firoz Shah Tughlaq were the most important rulers. Under the Tughlaqs, the nobles and the ulema were very powerful. The rulers of the Sayyid ruled from 1414 to 1451. They were followed by the Lodi Sultans, Bahlul Lodi, Sikandar Lodi and Ibrahim Lodi, and they ruled from 1451 to 1526. Clear? So now your job is to do A and B and C. D and E is mine. Okay? D and E I will do. Rest you don't have to worry. So A, B and C is your job, and D, E is my job. Okay? So I'll get this ready by Saturday. You should get it, and that's tomorrow. Or on Monday it might be posted. So because I've got so many classes to do, I've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6 classes. So I've got so much of work to get done. So don't worry, it will be there by tomorrow. Okay, done for Saturday for you guys. I'll get it done for you tomorrow. It will be there on the website, most probably. So I'll get this done. So please do go through these. If you have any issues in the word meanings and all, please refer to the dictionary. As I don't give you the word meanings, because also in class 10 I don't give it, because it's your duty to look for it. If you don't get a better meaning for it, then you go ahead and ask me. Then I'm there. I'm always there. So I want you to dig into it. If you don't dig, you won't know. You won't come to know the information. So okay, we are done with 3 chapters now, and we will go back. You can see the timeline. You can use this timeline in your project work. When you get your project work or something, I guess it's going to be very interesting. So now we are going to go to the regional kingdoms of 2. Okay, fine, no issues. So tick the correct answers. The period from 1206 to dash is known the age of the Delhi Sultanate till 1526. The first ruler of the slave dynasty was Muhammad Ghori, Alauddin Khulji, Razia Sultan, Qutbuddin Aibak. Who was it? You have to do it. So Muhammad Ghori, Alauddin Khilji, Razia Sultan or Qutbuddin Aibak. Okay? Qutbuddin Aibak, I guess. Right, or Muhammad Ghori. Why should I say? You have to do it yourself. Isn't it? Okay? So then we have Dash was the most trusted general of Alauddin Khilji, Malik Kafur, Jalal Kafur, Firoz Malik, Kakubat Kafur. You will read and take it, I will not tell you. Firoz Shah Tughlaq found new towns in Jaunpur, Firozpur, Delhi and Jaunpur, Daulatabad and Firozabad, and Gulbarga and Firozpur. Delhi Sultanate period, the nobles were given land grants called Iktas. Number the events in the order in which they took place. Invasion of Taimur, conquest of the force of Chittor of Ranthambore, deposition of Razia, shifting capital of Daulatabad, first battle of Panipat, accession of Mubarak Shah, Sayyid will come at the last, Taimur will come before Sayyid, okay, and shift of capital will come in the Tughlaqs, and rest two are left, battle of Panipat, and deposition of Razia come just after Qutbuddin Aibak, so you will do that. Dash was the most powerful ruler of the slave dynasty, you will do that. Land tax was called what? And invaded India in 1398, I guess that was someone else. The Dash advised the Sultan on religious issues. The first battle of Panipat was fought between Lodi and Babar. So you are going to do that. First battle was fought between Lodi and Babar, 1526. So that you are going to do. Who was Razia Sultan? I'll give this to you. Why did the nobles oppose Razia? Name the two persons who do that. All I'll do it and get it ready. So take care of yourselves. Be home. Be safe. And respect your parents and do whatever you want. No problem. After your studies. So take care of yourselves, and I'll not say bye-bye right now. Because I don't know. I might come in with another video after some time, so that I'll start this other chapter. I'll read for you. I'll just do the reading for the kingdoms of part 2. Okay, so don't worry. Take care.